you gotta say L-J-U. Lju. Lju.
Yeah.
Say
Yeah. Yeah.
Jovel. Jovel. And
What
this
has a sat nav?
Huh?
Yeovil.
Jovil. Jovil. We would say Jovil. Se pravi, gremo malo po njegovom mestu, gremo v trgovino nekaj kupiti za jesti. Pa greva z avtom to see that giant. We're gonna go to check out that giant.
Yeah. Don't have a giant.
Abyss giant, yeah. There's an old, what is that? Made from stone or what is it?
Ham Hill.
Ham Hill.
Yeah, Ham Hill we go over to see as well, where all Hamstone comes from.
Ham stone. Okay.
Lots of foreigners.
Tko le zgleda Jovil. But these are kind of newer houses because before I came here there were some old villages back in there like 10 miles and they were like old.
Yeah, we'll go see some old villages and stuff.
Yeah,
especially
they're really nice, especially churches. They look like castles.
Yeah, they're all posh around here.
Yeah, you should see our churches, different totally. Can you say my town name?
No, I have no
My
idea
name,
how you
my
say it.
town is named Ljubljana.
Ljubljana.
Go fair enough, close. Ljubljana.
Ljubljana.
You gotta say L-J-U. Lju. Lju.
Yeah.
Say
Yeah. Yeah.
Lju.
Yeah. Ljubljana.
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 It's good. I try it faster. Ljubljana.
Ljubljana.
Close enough. But you can't pronounce J.
Yeah.
Ljubljana. L-J. Lju.
Yeah, we'd never have L and J together in a letter.
Do it.
In a word.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lju.
Yeah.
It's not there.
It's not.
Lju.
It doesn't work.
Do it again.
Not English. Yeah. Yeah.
He went on the other side and I followed him. Jaz prijem tako and he opened door and he's like, what are you doing? I'm gonna sit, drive me.
Steering wheel.
Yeah, but the left side, man, I can't get used to it. Ne morem se navaditi. I can't used to it, bro. This is like, yeah. The left side, which is the right side.
Easy, see?
It's gonna work or not?
Yeah, it will. Just not now.
What the hell happened? Battery.
No, mobilisers. They're a little bit temperamental.
You got the mobile.
Yeah.
Did I say that you're maybe too panicking about everything? Too many locks, mobilizers.
Well, it's a standard immobiliser, but
Yeah, from the back.
yeah. But he's saying no at the moment.
It happens a lot of times.
Wait, yeah, occasionally.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's only occasionally. Just wait a couple of minutes and it'll go.
I get the feeling that I'm driving in Gilera.
Yeah, it is getting a bit like that.
Are you finished?
Maybe you should turn. Whoa! No, not yet. What if that doesn't work when you're somewhere far away?
Oh, it always works.
Oh,
Yeah, that's why I'm not panicking about
maybe you should speak with her.
it.
Maybe she needs some time. She's like, where were you all
Yeah.
this time?
It's because I haven't drove it for a couple of days, that's all it is.
Yeah.
She just misses me.
That's what I'm
She's
saying.
jealous I'm going out on the bike.
That's what I'm saying. Whoa. Here we go. Let's go. Glej, menjalnik na desni strani. Something new for me. Never been driven on the left side. And that I didn't have the steering wheel. Glej. Empty people. Ok, prvo kar smo ugotovili je, da their limit je 60 milj. Mislim, da 110, 120 v takih ulicah. Imajo ozke ulice, ovinke. And I see this green thing. I mean, these bushes, man. Why it's so big? You can't see nothing there. What? Is that made like purposely?
Yeah.
So you don't see the field?
No. Yeah,
So
they've
what-
been cut as well.
So what is on field? What is there to hide?
Well, nothing. It's just, just fields. It's just
Uh-huh.
stop.
Oh yeah, I see. So every field has kind of like fence, a natural fence. But when you drive it on the road, it's kind of like, it looks so tight, like in my ex. Oh god, Defender, huh?
Yeah, it's all farmers and stuff around here. There's a few farms.
They have Defenders,
Yes, yeah, a lot of them. All Land Rovers.
Land Rovers, yeah. Actually, the name fits, Land Rover.
Yeah.
It roves over the land,
Oh, yes.
you know. But now I understand. Look at this beautiful people. This is amazing. Very beautiful. Gled koliko je to lepo staro. I was in Holland and Holland was beautiful. Like I was on the villages of Holland. What is this? The Heller Arms. This is that beautiful village, huh?
Yeah.
Restaurant.
Urban restaurant.
Bro, we can go to restaurant, eat something sometimes. Look at the Harry Potter house. Or Lord of the Rings house. Yeah. Silver Cuckoo house.
Cottages.
Little cottages. Look at this.
Wow. See your thatch roofs?
Yeah. What's called?
Thatch.
Thatch.
It's like straw.
Yeah.
Straw
Yeah.
roofs.
That's a little bit better than normal, huh?
Yeah.
It makes warmer house.
Yes. Apparently. I
mean-
don't know. I like a decent roof, me. Something what birds can't take away.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, birds can take away that.
Yeah.
Look, a nice house.
Yeah.
Very, very look alike old. I mean, it is old. How old are these?
Yeah, they are very old. 16, 1700 some of them.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And I like the green, bro. Now I respect the green, British green.
Yeah.
Now I understand the British green. I didn't understand before.
Oh, I
Why would
see.
you buy a car with the green? Pfui,
Yeah,
bleh.
because it's not a very nice green. I don't like British racing green.
But
to be
it
honest.
fits here because it kind of goes with the environment, you know. It's not odd. And look, cars on the road again. Look at this.
Yeah, I've got to go on the wrong side now to get over.
On the wrong side, I mean on the right side. I mean on the right side. That's it. Crazy. Ooh.
Sutton Bingham Reservoir. We can stop.
Oh, reservoir. I thought a reservoir was a building of water. This is a lake, bro.
No, this is a reservoir.
Oh, reservoir for what?
Yeah. I think drinking water, mainly.
Oh. Yeah, you don't have pipes. Yeah, you don't have rivers in it, or what?
Yeah, we got rivers, but yeah, this is like a Sutton Bingham Reservoir. It's where they do the water treatment and stuff.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we can stop here and have a look.
Well, it's okay, bro. Don't leave it on the road, man.
Oh, people park here all the time.
I'm just not used to it.
Oh yeah, don't worry.
I'm
about it.
always searching for the parks.
Yeah, I'm probably in the way parking in the car park.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, I will be. Yeah.
Yeah, we're used to it that we get police, we get tickets. You know?
Yeah, if there's not a double yellow line, you can park.
Wow. Nice.
So what we'll do?
But you're gonna park here and we're gonna walk where?
Yeah, well, just have a look around here if you want.
Oh, okay, let's
We
go.
don't need to have a look here. Or...
It's okay. It's okay. You can go to these houses, you know. Swim at summer here. No? Evo ga jezero. Maš tu tam neke patke. Evo ga English. Land Rover. A lot of Land Rovers here. And minis.
Lots of farms.
Farms. See, this guy's locking like you. He's like, everybody are locking. So there's so many thieves here or what? Yeah. Are there so many thieves that everybody are locking, everything are locking?
But there is, but probably no more than anywhere else. Just our way, I suppose.
Yeah, your way. I mean, we lock too, don't we?
Lock doors,
Yeah.
go to bed, and, you know, that sort of thing.
This is good for vlog.
What, when it doesn't work?
Turn the car on. Turn! She said no.
That's right.
We're just sitting here.
Give it 2 minutes, it'll be fine.
Bro, I'm kind of like fat like this. So, what's the plan now? Before turning on the car?
We'll go over to Ham Hill. I reckon.
Ham Hill, we're gonna go there to see that giant.
No, this is Ham Hill. It's slightly different. It's
Ah,
where
the-
all the hamstone is.
Aha, Hamstone, whatever that is. What is that?
Hamstone is what we make lots of houses out of and stuff.
Ah, okay.
It's like a really sandy coloured stone.
Yeah, I see it everywhere.
Yeah, it's only from around this area.
Wow.
Yeah,
So
I
what,
don't
you-
think it's anywhere else in the world.
So you export it to other
Yeah.
cities. So it's actually coming from here.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Start it. Please, start. Start. Rio. Da ne budeš bio. Bien. Ajde.
Sure Rio's not Italian?
No, he's Korean.
That might explain it then.
Yeah, you should take a Japanese car. You would actually drive and ride. Third time, lucky time. Oh, let's go!
Told you.
Third time, lucky time. You know, that's how it goes. We got some big horse here. Is it like English horse? Whoa, the big one.
and a motorcycle come round the corner and took the front of a horse off.
Shit, so motorcycle
Yeah.
hit the...
Killed a horse.
Kill the horse.
Yeah.
Look, somebody can come now.
Yeah, this
You
is-
don't even see.
It's 60 mile an hour road, this is.
60 mile an hour. Look how nobody takes care of this bush.
No.
Yeah, that's
Well,
right.
they do cut it every so often.
Uh-huh.
Otherwise it would be literally overgrown.
Holy shit. Somebody comes, what can you do?
You're like this area down here.
Yeah. Oh shit, bro. Oh shit, and your tires are bad and it's wet. And...
Oh, tire's good. Yeah, what we can do is look on the weather map and check the weather first before you go.
Yeah. A veš, kva je hudo tle v Angliji? To, da dejansko razumem vse in da se lahko pogovarjaš z njimi. V vodu sem si ene čokoladice, neki crunchy, pa neki star bar, pa da mi malo probamo, ker jaz sem itak sladko sned. Jaz sem mi pa všeč njihovi petroli varianta, ker so zeleni, so res noter ful urejeni. Ok, folk, probal sem crunchy. To je to.
Oh, it's honeycomb.
Honeycomb. I'm like, what the hell is this?
Yeah, honeycomb.
Chocolate a little bit, but inside, I don't know what am I eating. How the fuck can we go through, man? Look at this.
Wait, you gotta be patient.
Yeah, but what if somebody comes now?
No, it's 60 mile an hour road, we'll be fine. Dude, 60.
You're a funny guy, man.
Yeah, that sign means 60. That is
60 miles
60
here.
mile an hour. Yeah.
60 miles here.
Yeah.
Drugače, na koga vas spominja tale Richard? On meni direkt paše na une Angleže iz filmov Druga svetovna vojna. Daj mu sam uniformo, daj mu gor kapo in on je ta prav British officer. A veš, ka prije v Drugi svetovni vojni in v filmu proti Nemcem. How would you say at the end? Give me?
Give me a German.
Yeah. Okay. Ooh, nice view. What's this? Ham Hill Country Park. Welcome to Ham Hill Country Park. We hope that map will help explore this fabulous 400-acre. Oh, you can walk there.
Yeah.
Wow. 50 shades of green, bro. 50 shades. Oh.
Don't people fall down here.
Woo! This is beautiful. Look at all this green, bro. Hey, I feel some emotions, man.
Church,
You mean castle?
church.
That's a castle church. Wow, people, this is really amazing. Thank you, Richard, for bringing me here. I appreciate it.
Oh, this is just all part of Ham Hill. Just like a seating area.
Ah, okay. Let us see. Let us see this
Oh, it's getting used, yeah.
contrast.
It's Ham Hill, see what I mean? It's all hills.
Yeah,
Nothing but hills.
but ham, it's kind of like a meat, a pork.
Yeah, or ham stone, which is what this goldy colour stuff is.
Ah,
It's all ham stone. Yeah, like,
so you press it together to make or what? Oh no,
it's just formed naturally here over the years.
so it's actually a stone.
Yeah, it's just formed naturally, but it's only around this country you get it, I believe.
So you actually make everything around from this.
Yeah.
You have to be rich, people, because you sell this to a whole company. I mean,
And because it's a special stone, it goes all over the place. It goes all around the world.
oh, it's called hamstone.
Hamstone, yeah.
Pub, only pub. It looks like pub, 1,000 years old, man.
Yeah.
Pub means like we go for a beer and that.
I'm not sure if it's open.
Uh-huh. Yeah. It's called, what is this called? Warning. Step quarry faces. What does that mean?
Steep quarry.
Steep,
faces,
ah.
so you can fall down.
You see, we don't have these signs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, quarry is like a stone where you machine stone.
Ah,
Like
okay.
a quarry.
And air is so fresh. And don't fall here. How do you call them?
What's that?
What?
Stinging nettles.
Sting?
Stinging nettles.
Stinging nettles.
Yeah, those will sting you.
We say coprive.
Oh, right, yeah.
Coprive.
Take some with you.
No, thank you. As a kid, I learned what they mean. You know?
Oh.
So, look, there's so many hills. It's like up, down, hill down, up.
Bring a place to bring a little mountain bike.
Yeah.
You used to ride around there.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, mountain bike. So where do hills come from?
It's just where we're doing a quarrying, we're digging and moving parts and putting
For the stone, huh?
mounds. Yeah, we're digging for stone and
And they're making
moving around.
hills.
They've done it for so many years. It's just hills everywhere.
How do you call this vehicle?
Digger.
Digger. We say
JCB.
bugger.
Bugger.
Bugger. Yeah.
Bugger. Bugger's not a good word in our language.
Not bugger, but bugger. Ba. Say ba.
Ba.
Bagger.
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 Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't do that.
Bagger. Bagger. Yeah. So we
Bugger
call
that.
bagger. You know? This is the sound. It's interesting. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Zdaj gremo pa tja do unga gor stolpa. Let's go.
More stones. This is a circle of stones. I believe over here.
What the hell is it?
Monument.
Look at this, ljudi moji.
It's a bit like Stonehenge.
That's what I had in my mind. Stonehenge, ljudi moji.
Why the hell they used to do this years ago, I do not know.
You don't know why they're here? Nobody knows.
No, I don't. I think people do know, but I just don't.
I think these are aliens. Nothing else. Aliens.
Yeah,
That's it.
alien.
Look at this, man.
I don't know, I think it was a bunch of hippies, to be honest.
Drugged, and they just have
Yeah.
time to move like
Yeah.
100,000 of
Yeah,
tons
yeah.
of. How is this called? Is there any name? No?
No, it's just a
Look,
circle.
but look, there is a doors, man. What the hell? Maybe this was some kind of building. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna get now superpowers. This is when you stand in the circle, and then you turn, you get the super saiyan powers.
Yeah, I think it is something like that. It is
Energy.
more religious.
Yeah, something.
Yeah, it is all religious stuff, I believe.
These stones were erected as a special project for the millennium. They are documents many centuries of pioneering Hemhill and those who work here. Okay, it's only 25 years.
No, not that way.
Millennium, 25
There
years.
you go.
There you go. No aliens,
No.
no nothing. This is some monument for the people of war, Second World War. But look at the view, people. Holy shit. Ooh. 50 shades of green. Dokar ti seže pogled. 10 second. Evo ga, z take planote se direkt vidi, kje pada dež. Glej, tukaj pada dež, a veš, malo pada dež, pa spet pada malo dež, pa tukaj ne pada dež. Tako da dejansko z tazga pogleda dobro vidiš, kje pada, kje ne pada. In ni čudo, da je vse toliko zeleno, če dejansko se non-stop zaliva. Why do you people in England have
Well, just
these signs?
I don't know, just in case we go blind all of a sudden.
Ok, ljudi moji, drugače tle vse je napisano. Everything is written like this. Se pravi, pazi, there is a road. Ok, I don't see it, I'm blind, I don't see the road. But there is a warning.
It's because someone's probably been hit there. It's literally for that reason.
I mean, if they are stupid, then there's no problem if they get hit. You know?
Well,
But fuck it. One more time. Zdaj,
selection, isn't it?
yeah, natural selection. Now it's showering. Prav malo pada. Še zadnji pogled. Pa jaz pa on grejo tukaj. We're gonna go to check out the giant. What about those animals by roads which are full and swollen, just left there? I've seen there so many. Badgers,
Yeah.
deers,
Yeah, you
even
get
foxes. I was driving a highway and there were so many animals, but they're just left there and they're like
Yeah.
full of gas, like ready to explode. What's with that?
They just get left, yeah, generally. Yeah.
Nobody picked them up.
No.
How
They,
come?
they do get picked up eventually, I think, but I think it does take a while to get noticed.
Bro, they're like decomposing
Yeah.
next to the
Yeah,
road.
they swell up.
Bro, man, I'm like, what is that? I saw a badger,
Yeah.
big one. I'm like, what the
Yeah.
fuck? A fox and some deer and all these things. Ja, tukaj sem se vozil k njemu. Nisem mogel verjeti, stari, koliko je teh živali ob avtocesti. To, kar tam leži napihnete. Is it called street or way?
Oh, it's more a lane.
Lane. This is 60-mile lane.
Yeah, 60 miles.
Bro, you have to have a rally car to go 60-mile here.
What's that in kilometres? 110?
Yeah, something like that. There's no way you go. Only with the rally car. Or my S2000. Yeah.
60 is not too bad.
Okay. Look at this. Look at this guy. And what now? This is what I was talking about. And what now?
He goes back in there.
Oh, but this is like a wider part exactly here. This guy just popped in the right moment. What is going on here?
Right, here we have a Ford.
Ford?
What we call a Ford.
Ford.
Not a car, yeah.
Yeah.
It's a Ford. It's just basically a river what passes by a road.
So they were too lazy to make a bridge. They
Yeah.
make a bridge for people.
So you don't get your feet wet.
So my S2000 would die here
Yeah.
because it's too low.
No, it's not very deep. Not very deep at all, yeah, to be honest.
Holy shit. So we're going through the Ford, Elga. That's the first time I saw. That's something new. That's why you travel, people. To see these kind of things. Ok, folk, midva sva prišla na ta plac, pa da vam pokažem, kako izgleda. Gremo prvo pogledati do table. Welcome to the village of the Cern Abbas. The Cern giant is the giant thousands or only a few hundred years old. He has conventionally been viewed as a great symbol of ancient spirituality dating from either prehistoric Roman or British times. Ok, pogledali smo si človeka z velikim penisom, zdaj pa jaz on letiva k njemu, zdaj pa tako, Luka iz Slovenije se dejansko preselil v Anglijo nekaj let nazaj in me je klical in rekel, Dino, zakaj nisem letel v Southampton, to je tisti kraj, kjer bi jaz mogel prvo spati, pa sem šel pa direkt k njemu. Tako da je dejansko zrihtel mi plec, da sem pri njemu in bi mogel jeti ja. Je pa en problem, nevihta se približuje. Zdaj pa vprašanje, ali naj grem ali naj ne grem. Pa je še ena težava je, da sem dejansko zgubil rokavice za dež, kar mi najbolj mori. Dobil sem rokavice normalne plus rokavice za dež, kar gre čez in jih ne najdem. Tako da dejansko je malo problem. In zdajle, po mojem sem pripravil pa kar šel. Mi je pa kar žal, ker tle je ful lepo, tako za videti, za voziti se, res taka perspektiva je top shit. Sploh teli gradovi, taki mehni gradovi, cerkve, cerkograd, bi lahko jaz temu rekel. Ok, folk, vletem ti jaz tukaj, da nekaj jemo. Pravim, jaz riču do 5 greva jest. A nema burek Olimpija, nema. Moram jesti tole sranje od McDonald'sa, starimo. A zdaj bi pasil burek Olimpija. You would try our burek. You know what burek is?
No.
Oh, bro, if you would try burek Olimpija, you would definitely know. If you ever come to Ljubljana, the place, you see, burek Olimpija, burek is the food. A cheese with the bread. And it's really tasteful. So Burek Olimpija is the place where you get the best burek. Remember that. Not toast, better than toast. Remember, Burek Olimpija. Say Burek Olimpija.
Burek Olimpija. I'll try it again. How you say it?
Burek Olimpija.
Burek Olimpija.
Bravo. Evo ga, folk, jaz sem se odpravil od Richarda proti Lukatu. Luka je v Southamptonu, me je povabil, da lahko prijem do njega. Tle sem se lepo ustavil, da vidite dejansko, kakšni lepi pogledi so. Zadaj je pa en stolp. To je to. Ta hud stolp zgleda, bom se obrnil, vam pokazal. Ovce so pa tudi povsod. Se pasejo lepo in dobesedno uživajo. Še ona crna me gleda, le. Kde je crna? Evo, zdaj sem jih pa prestrašil, bežijo. Sorry, ker sem vam pozumeril ovčev rit, ampak glej ga. Neki stolp je, kakšen stolp je to, če ima kdo kaj časa, naj folk pogoogla, pokaže, je pa res daleč, gled to. Ok, I found a nice woman or lady which explained me what this is and this is called, how it's called?
It's called the Horton Folly,
Okay.
and it was supposedly built by the landowner to keep an eye on his wife
on his wife.
to make sure she was behaving herself.
So that fella was really jealous
Yes.
type of the guy.
Yes, he was.
Did he manage to control her then or not?
I don't know. Don't think so.
Yeah, me too. Because you know, I think she ran away if that guy was like that. Did anybody live there?
No one's ever lived there. No, it's just got birds nesting in it,
And that's it.
a Vodafone
Now,
aerial.
have you ever been there?
Yeah, I walked up there a lot with my dog.
Oh,
Yeah,
really
yeah,
nice.
There's a footpath.
Oh,
Walk up through the fields.
thank you very much for this information, and I wish you very well day.
Thank you. All right, nice to meet you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.